If you're using Windows 11 but haven't installed Google Chrome yet, don't worry. This video will guide you through the process step by step, whether you're tech savvy or completely new to it. This guide will make it easy for you to download and install Google Chrome on your Windows 11 device. Let's get started. First, open your available web browser and search for Google Chrome. Click the official Google website, which is the google.com. Once you navigate the site, press Download Chrome. After downloading, go to your File Explorer and go through your downloads. Double-click the Chrome.ax file, and now it's gonna start downloading. All you need to do is to wait for a second. If you like this video, please consider liking, sharing, and subscribing for more updates.